Hello, my name is Kung. Welcome to CyberNet channel. This video will show you where to download and how to install the latest SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio. First, let's access the Microsoft document site from a browser. Click the document link under the search box. Scroll down to see the SQL Server, and click it. Click the download button. There are two free versions, Developer and Express. The developer version has full features of SQL Server. This is ideal for those who want to study and develop database with SQL Server. The basic option includes database engine, that is what we need. This option also helps install SQL Server quicker. For advanced features such as integration, analysis, reports, machine learning with R or Python, you can customize installation later. SQL Server Developer is a full-featured free edition, licensed for use as a development and test database in a non-production environment. Now we're going to install SQL Server Management Studio. You can go back to the document page. However, click the SSMS button, also open the document page. Click the Download SQL Server Management Studio link. After downloading finished, click the icon to execute the installer. SQL Server Management Studio is an integrated environment for managing any SQL infrastructure, from SQL Server to Azure SQL Database. SSMS provides tools to configure, monitor, and administer instances of SQL Server and databases. Use SSMS to deploy, monitor, and upgrade the data tier components used by your applications, and build queries and scripts. Now the SQL Server is on my system. Let's try to create a database. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button under this video.